Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about Application Layer Protocol (HTTP) Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So these are the topics we are going to discuss in this slide. Introduction. Generally, the application layer is the topmost layer of the open system interconnect model. The OSI Open System Interconnect Model is a default model of the communication system. Based on the default model, all the protocols has been assigned through this seven layer of this Open System Interconnect Model. So here the topmost layer of the Open System Interconnect Model is application layer. Let me see how this application layer has been enabled for HTTP. So normally the HTTP model has been used to access the email process, browsing the website and transferring the files and accessing the remote servers. And moreover, it can able to provide an interface for the users and the application to interact with the entire network. Most probably, the application layer has been enabled based on the client and server based process. Types so web browsers, email client, flight transfer tools and remote login, these are all some types of this HTTP. Under this type we can have some protocols and its function. For web browsers, HTTP and HTTPS, secure HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol for accessing the web browsers, and email clients, SMTP, POP3 and IMAP, simple mail transfer protocol, POP3, post office protocol, and internet message access protocol as used for email service process, and FTP is used for file transfer protocol process, and DNS is a domain name system, and next is telnet, teletype networks. It can be used for accessing the remote access. So these are the configurations of application layers by accessing protocol. So the application model having both the presentation session layer also, because it is going to access the binary data, so that we are in need of these three lines. These three layers has been assigned and fetched for TCP/IP model, transmission control and internet protocol message model. So HTTPS, one thing is difference is it is a secure one, because the name itself note that as is secure. So it is a private protocol. We can access by having some encryption process, and moreover HTTP is it is a public process, so we can access anywhere and anytime. Client and server, especially this HTTP model can be accessed based on client and server, because we can access the information like images, videos and content, so that the client server basics are very useful information to provide by using this HTTP model. Access, how the HTTP has been enabled. So initially the client has been sent the information to the server based on the two kind of verification process. One is key, general key can be generated by using the client basis process, and it can be converted to ciphertext process, because in order to avoid or in order to access for unauthorized users, so that we these two models, these two steps has been enabled in this HTTP one. After finalizing that, it can be able to forward the server side, then we can receive the proper acknowledgement from the server, then it can access to the remaining process. It is a stateless protocol, because it doesn't have any previous request. It does not save any previous request as a commands or messages. So it is only one-to-one process. Once if the information is ready, then it can able to process and it can be sent to the receiver side. So it is a queue model process. Cookie, once if you want to save the password means, then the cookie are very useful to save this password. By staying a logged in website, we can use this cookie one. And unfortunately, if you are not knowing the password, then it is a default model to enable the concerned password by using these cookies. Uniform resource identifier. So these are some steps to be followed in HTTPs. Initially we are going to type on any website means these are all the steps. First HTTP scheme protocols use, and example.com is the authority domain name, which name we are going to given here. And next one is products, the concern location or path has to be identified by using this slash products. And next one is ID number is a binary decimal numbers. Assessment, if you want to make switches from http to https, suppose if you want to make any website to https means some constraints need to be followed. So these are all some constraints: encryption, authentication, and data integrity. So while converting this http to https, it's a secure one, so that we are in need of this encryption and authentication and data integrity model, because based on the certificate transfer layer certificate, then we can able to check the concern model, so that it can able to given the proper information from the users. Thank you.